Another quick tip for beginners: when you dive into a node and you have all the nodes inside them grayed out like this and you're unable to access them, something you can do is to go back and right click on that node and find Allow Editing of Contents and click it. Now you will be able to work with the nodes inside. As you can see, they are no longer grayed out. So let me just undo everything. So when you click on edit contents, you can see this tiny lock opens up. And that is how you know the node is now editable. So yeah, that was a mini tip from the series Houdini Minis. There's a node for that, and I'll catch you in the next video.